Okay, moving on. Let's talk about sitting. Yeah, too much of it during the day can be a problem when it comes to our health. The good news, there are plenty of ways to get moving and fight the negative effects of too much sitting. So today I'm learning how Pilates can help make a difference. Joining me today is Master Trainer from Club Pilates in Wicker Park, Corinne Graff. Corinne, we sit a lot every day. Why is it important to counteract all of that sitting that we're doing?
Sitting has actually been linked to health concerns. Sitting actually causes an enormous amount of stress on our spine, our hips, the muscles in our back and our neck. So it's extremely important to move the body to counteract that.
Pilates is a great way to counteract all the sitting. Why does Pilates work and how can it help us?
It works on strengthening and lengthening the body as a whole rather than in just pieces. So Pilates can reverse the effects of sitting essentially. Originally, Pilates was actually created on the mat, and we have a full repertoire of exercises that can be done with just the body and a mat or a floor even.
So Corinne, you have 3 moves that you're going to show us today. What's the first one?
So the first move that I'm going to show everyone is called a Pilates bridge. You're going to lay all the way down on your back with your knees bent, feet on the floor, just a comfortable distance away from you and the toes facing forward. You're going to want to press your arms all the way down into the mat and think about opening up the chest. Since we are sitting a lot, we want to make sure our collarbones are nice and wide to counteract that slouching. Once you have that position, you're going to take an inhale, and on your exhale, you're going to scoop your abdominal muscles in and try to roll up through your spine as you lift your hips. And then once you're at the top, you're going to just roll yourself all the way back down and think about rolling down one bone at a time.
Exercise number 2 is toe taps. What does that mean?
So we're going to press our lower back down just so it's stable on the mat, and then lift one leg at a time up into what we call tabletop in Pilates. From there, again, shoulder blades are down. We're going to tap one set of toes down to the mat. That'll be your inhale. And on the exhale, you're just going to switch the legs.
Exercise number 3 is something you're calling swimming, but it's not actually swimming in a pool. It's an exercise that we can do at home on our mat.
Once you are in this position, you're going to take an inhale and you're going to see if you can float your arms and your legs off of the mat. Our chest will naturally float up, and you just want to make sure you have no wrinkles in the back of your neck so you're not jamming your head backwards. Once you're here, you're then going to lift opposite arm and opposite leg a little higher, and then switch and switch. So this is, like I said, activating the entire backside of the body.
So overall, it's important to move to benefit our health, and Pilates can help reverse the impact of sitting too much.
Any physical fitness is fantastic, but Pilates, the method itself was designed, like I had said, to balance out any imbalances in the body, which we definitely get from sitting and having to sit a lot more than usual these days. So Pilates is a great way to counteract all of those negative effects in the body and get us up and moving.
Thanks so much, Corinne. All right, do you love practicing Pilates? Well, we want to see it. Tag us on Instagram at Living Healthy TV. Hey, did you like that and you want more Living Healthy content? It's easy. Just check out these videos right here.